Okay. We we have the anterior aspect of the leg. We have four muscles are superficial and one deep. The first one is the tibialis anterior muscle. This is the tibialis anterior muscle. It's originates from the lateral side of the tibia, and it's inserted into the first metacarpal bone here. So this is the tendon of the tibialis anterior. We have the second muscle, extensor digitorum longus muscle. This one is the extensor digitorum longus. Also the same originate, but the insertion is the distal end of the second, third, fourth, and fifth phalangeals. We have the third one is the peroneus tertius muscle. We just can see this one. This one is the peroneus tertius muscle, and this one is the tendon. It's inserted into the fifth metacarpal bone here. This is the tendon of the peroneus tertius, and this is the peroneus tertius. We have the last muscle is the extensor hallucis longus muscle. This one is the extensor hallucis. This is the extensor hallucis longus muscle. It's inserted into the first metacarpal. Hallucis mean the longest, the first two finger. This one, and also we can see the superficial fibular nerve. This one. Superficial came from the posterior side of the popliteal fossa. Here we can see, and it's divided into two branch: superficial and deep branch. This is the deep branch of peroneal nerve, and we can see here the anterior tibial artery. This one is the anterior tibial artery. The anterior tibial artery came from the popliteal artery. This is the anterior tibial artery. It's penetrate the interosseous membrane. Here is the penetration, and it becomes anterior tibial artery. From the lateral side, we have just two muscles. First one is the peroneus or fibular longus. This one, fibularis, peroneus, longus, and this is the brevis. This is the brevis. This is the longus. This is just the lateral aspect of the leg. From the posterior side, we have many muscles. The first one we have popliteus muscle. Popliteus also. Popliteus muscle. This one is the popliteus muscle.
Gastrocnemius.
Bro, this is gastrocnemius.
No,
just
no.
pause.
Popliteus is in deep, I think.
Plantaris.
You continue.
Oh, yes, plantaris too, sorry.
Okay. We have the first one is the plantaris muscle. This is the plantaris muscle. Second one we have gastrocnemius muscle. Gastrocnemius muscle have two heads. This is the lateral head and this is the medial head. So these are the gastrocnemius. The insertion of the gastrocnemius will be the calcaneal tendon. What I don't know.
Achilles tendon.
Okay, Achilles tendon or calcaneal tendon here. And also we have from this side soleus muscle. This is the soleus muscle. And also from this side soleus muscle. It's deep to the gastrocnemius muscle. So these are the soleus muscle. Also we have deep muscles. The first one is the flexor digitorum longus muscle here, and also flexor hallucis longus muscle. This one is the medial one is the flexor digitorum longus, and the lateral the lateral one is the flexor digitorum longus, and the medial one is the flexor hallucis longus muscle. Also we can see tibialis posterior muscle. Here is the tibialis posterior muscle, tibialis, and also we have the popliteus muscle.
Flexor digitorum, flexor hallucis. Tam tersi yaptım.